one of the line of the door. Look at these guys just lined up. It looks like crap. All of these edges, you're not 100% wrapping around. Gotta be very careful. So you can't hear me when I have squeegee in my mouth. That's a common thing for installers to do. Where did that piece of dirt go? Water. That's all right. Corners. Corners, black and soap. There are times too when I'll completely wrap this corner, and that, but this client is not concerned about that. He didn't care to do it. longer to do all that. You're actually trimming it all by hand. Corner, but certainly doable. Never hurts to do a little last run down before you put the edge down. Hopefully avoid water at the edge again. Take a diabetic needle and remove it, but if you don't have to, why do it? And I don't think the rest you'll actually be able to see. Can't do that right now. Let's see if I can move it. The rest of this top piece that goes up over the Acura. Let's see. How about this? I shall go right up front with it and see if I can have some luck here. Stick around, that would be great. So, main thing with this is this front little bit. And obviously up along the top here, you have to make sure you're not hanging over the back side, otherwise it has a tendency that it won't stay down. And then, when you pull on this area here, let's say here, there's a gap this far enough here that you obviously is this top edge right here. This lip will eat the paint at the, whoops. Holy jeez, that's dark. There we go. Anyway, it'll eat the paint under here, and that's why with this wrapped around, it'll stop that from happening. But at this point, I'm working with these guys here, so I've got to get the soap cleaned out for them. And again, this doesn't look like much of an edge right here, but you'd be amazed how much difficulty that little edge can cause a person, that little upswing there. So, something like that there. Easy, take the Teflon card, push it down, it just allows the film to slide around. Otherwise what happens sometimes right in this area here, it'll tent up a little bit. Film will stay up and then you have to trim it in the future, which is not worthwhile, that's for sure. So, as you see up top here, you probably can't even see, I don't even know if I can bring it to the other side and show it. But anyway, it stops at the edge right along here. Where is it? It's right there. Where the film just stops just before it goes around the corner. Wrapped all around here. And down into the back there. And again, stops right here, right at the edge. So I mean, this would be my, wouldn't call it my cheapest installation, but my normal cheapest per se, in the sense the least amount of wraps that I do. From here it only gets a little more extensive that, let's say the person did want to, which there would be really no reason, as you can see here. I don't know why anyone would want to take the time to wrap it around more or spend the money, but if someone wanted to, I could take it and bring it right down into there, so need be, and then it would, well, I don't know what it would do. Wouldn't do much of anything. You're not going to notice it, not going to see it. And this under here, I've already sprayed it off once, but spray it because you don't want any garbage over there. Objective here, get it all the way up and behind, wrap it around right up the backside. There we go. You can see it's pulling so much up here right now, it's pulling this back. So, get a little forward there, wrap it up the backside. And then as you see this little piece right, it's hanging right there. And that will have to be trimmed off. And I don't think you can necessarily see in there. No, definitely not. So, either way, that's that done now. So it's coming along. And, oh, geez. I forgot to take pictures of the last three pieces. I never took any pictures of the doors. Anyway, so that's, the doors are done. And, there we go. Doors are done. The back fender there is done all the way around. This piece is done. I've got a piece for the back tail on here, and then the gas cap hiding right there. So that's that door. And I see a little water bubble. I don't know if it's showing on the film, but right there. So no big deal. And a bit of water back here. So I'll deal with them and go for a break and then head back for more.